What's going on, guys? Jay that drinker. As you can see, we're in a spot that does like a park and fly for the airports. This whole trench drain is backed up. Something here. That's down. That's plugged. Yeah. We're gonna run the bamboo plunger. If that don't work, we're snake it out. How many cars do you guys normally wash here?
Depends. Varies. Sometimes 25, 30. Depends on the day. Look, I can see it moving.
Nice and easy, eh? And now that's plugged up. Now we got away.
Huh? Is another one here?
This is the clean out for going out. So it comes in there and goes out here. Can we move this?
Sure.
Yeah, so this went down when we cleared that.
Okay.
It's gonna level itself out with this though. It's gonna level itself out with this.
Okay.
Because this is plugged.
Look at this stick, man.
Yeah? Everything that comes off a car.
It gotta be that one that gives the problem.
Yeah.
Gotta be one.
So it is going down. It may have just been the volume.
Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah, it's going down now.
So what did they do when they came before? Vacuumed it out?
Yeah.
Did they power wash?
I'm not quite sure. I don't think I see them with the power. You think they just clean out all them up with the big truck?
Yeah. So the power washer is a truck itself, right?
Yeah.
It's a square truck. The other one has like a round tank, an oval tank on it. That's the vacuum, right? The vacuum cleans out all this, right?
I think that's vacuum. I don't think there's power.
So you may want to get this line power washed out,
Yeah.
right? We know now that just cleared itself out there, but there could be a blockage going out. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
It could just be the volume, why it's, but. Yeah, so like it's going out right here. See, I'm blocking it right now.
Yeah.
So it's going.
Okay.
So I think it may just be the volume. I guess surprisingly, that's a lot of volume of water.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there you go. Hopefully you guys liked this video. We were able to clear it with the bamboo plunger again. So until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Grog now.